Hello, this is Asin Law Office. Today, I'll explain why protecting your rights is crucial when facing a sex crime investigation, specifically referencing cases handled by the Seoul Dongdaemun Police Station. Sex crime cases are often complex, and the weight of your testimony is immense. If you don't know your rights during the investigation process, you can easily put yourself in a disadvantageous position. During a police investigation, you have fundamental rights, such as the right to remain silent, the right to have an attorney present, and the right to review and correct your statement record. However, in such a tense situation, many people fail to exercise these rights fully. The words just don't come out, but once a statement is written down, it becomes a critical reference point in all subsequent proceedings. That's why knowing and exercising your rights is so practically important. In practice, we start by organizing the facts before the investigation. We break down the timeline, conversation details, and the situation at the time, separating what to admit from what to contest. Just as a doctor doesn't decide on a treatment based only on symptoms, a legal problem requires structure to develop a response strategy. This preparation is what gives meaning to exercising your rights. Consistency and credibility of your testimony are key in sex crime cases. If you use exaggerated expressions or make speculative answers under pressure during the investigation, it becomes very difficult to retract them later. It might not seem logical, but that's how investigative records work. Therefore, protecting your rights and managing your testimony must go hand in hand from the very beginning. Even at the consultation stage, we don't just agree to take on any case. We listen to the facts thoroughly and start by explaining which rights are at stake. If we take the case, we accompany you to the investigation, help coordinate your testimony, submit legal opinions, and, if necessary, represent you in court. Our focus isn't on success fees, but on managing the records and the legal process. We also consider related issues like personal information registration, employment, and immigration matters. Since 2009, my guiding principle in handling criminal cases has been to focus on structure over emotion. This approach has allowed us to handle cases without disputes since opening in 2014. We prepare every case as if the investigation is happening tomorrow. Ultimately, protecting your rights isn't just a formal slogan. It's a practical matter that directly impacts the outcome. The core of our defense is helping you properly exercise those rights. Asin Law Office handles criminal, civil, family, real estate, and administrative cases with this standard. If you need a consultation, please refer to the video description. Subscribing and liking helps us provide more detailed legal advice.